That is blessing.
Where the English come?
But hear me now. Yeah, some man take music for clash. And when them go sabum and get defeat and chop, them start talk a ball bag of crap. But you see, Demus, me not do music for clash. I mean, I do it for nothing. A man tell me say me flap. You see, I and I deal with roots, reality and culture, reggae music. I don't confuse it. Dance to the rhythm and they blows it. Ha-ho.
Aho, but guess what? You give me a nice tune now because you expect you to give me something nice.
Them like it.
Them like it, them like it.
Me go so from far, how me hear they get to youth a ball. Them a say they bigger heads them not to do nothing at all from far. How me hear they get to youth a ball. Say they bigger heads them not to do nothing. It's like them one we build me out under the sinking sand. Them alone they build out on the rock stolen. Them have them money and them have it in the ground. Have it in a style, back on million. Now of them do on it, the right it wrong. Now them want come to the big youth program from far. Oh, me hear they get to youth a ball. Say the bigger heads them not to do nothing at all from far. Oh, me hear they get to youth a ball. Say the bigger heads them not to do nothing. I fear I'm innocent politician. Boom! Go come around when it is election. One come promise to house, them one come promise to land, them one come promise to car and minivan. Then them come talk about what they pay every man when we walk up and down with them slogan. Wippa Demus, now in them pattern. Listen my style, catch my slang from fire. Oh me, babblish.
Babblicious, that's what we do. And guess what? When they Saboy! Come here, Saboy! Man, come give me something for the cigar. Come on, Rasta. Come on, Superstar. No, man. Saboy, come on, man. Come on, brother.
Saboy, you're live, you know.
Come on, brother. You're live, man.
You're live, you know, Saboy.
Bring him in there. Saboy, so where are you, brother?
Big stage show, I'm in there on YouTube.
I mean, you're there on YouTube now. You could have deal. Saboy, come on, brother. Saboy, say you're going, Sir Rasta. Saboy, you're a superstar, man. Saboy, you must be feeling it. Saboy, you're being sorry. Saboy, come here, man. Saboy, give us something. I catch him. Yo, ladies and gentlemen, this is my friend, this Saboy. Big every man, big superstar. Him bust all of the woman artists and him bust them in many more ways than one. Saboy, can you do that, sir?
I want to ask Big Stone, where is Saboy video for the pageant show, Miss Mahogany 2014? Because the people need to see.
They will, man, they will,
and
man.
they say they Big Stone have me on another memory chip.
Yes.
And he can locate the memory chip with all of my performance.
Alright.
Viewers, please ask Big Stone for Saboy performance for Miss Mahogany 2014.
Hey, but guess what? Lord, Saboy the right here now. So you would have to ask about the performance. See it here. After I light up that spliff, I have a new tune, boy, with all the sunny clips tonight. Me I tell him, big man, things I want for him, you know. Saboy make a money the other day, and I want to tell him, Saboy, they make a money. But guess what, I see tune make a money. He'll go on in X. But I'm a friend here, I'm alright with me, yeah? Saboy, no man, they're going to say, make big rest. Saboy,
you know, who called my phone?
Who just called the phone?
Anything Demus tell you?
No, Demus never tell me.
Mariah Carey just called my phone. People no go down. All who know Mariah Carey know that Mariah Carey is in love with black people.
Yeah.
Because people say the way them love Mariah Carey, them don't see her as a white girl.
Yeah.
And if you don't know that Mariah Carey, her husband is also a black man, so don't think say it's impossible.
Yeah.
Mariah Carey, #1 fan on planet Earth. Yeah, you can tell her or tell a friend, say, yes, I see the DJ from Jamaica.
Sing a song,
Mariah Carey, #1. You want to sing a song?
Yeah, man, sing a song to her.
Mariah Carey, you gonna know what real love is. You're gonna know what true love is, girl. You're gonna feel what real love is. Mariah gonna know what true love is, girl. Yes, I know I can show you. Mariah, I know I can love you too, girl. You're gonna feel what real love is. You're gonna know what true love is, girl. She never know it to that nice, the way me said tar and dancer. She never know it to that sweet, bend over, touch your toe and then you wine, so. And so we party, we and we shandy. No love up in the house tonight, we irie, so we party. You're gonna know what real love is. Mariah gonna know what true love is, girl.
Rough it up now, rough it up now.
Butterfly baby, what you say?
You
Call me your butterfly baby. Me no fi walkie me no lazy. Under me roots and me sensey. I saw me blaze it high for Mariah, she's my baby. Lord, my butterfly baby. Mariah Carey.
Rough it up now. You can't smooth and cruiser. You have to rough it up.
You have to smooth up.
Give me something now. Give me something heavy.
want a new thing where you call name laugh.
Give me the laugh. Give me the laugh.
And Mariah Carey, you know, say you have to deal with her gentle and passion and just say, Mariah, a prosperity. Lord, I want to shower you with roses and put you in my shower tub. Yes, with roses I'm going to shower you with. No shower gel nor soap, just roses, flowers. She too delicate. I have to bathe Mariah Carey them with flowers, you know? Sunflowers, the yellow one, with the pollinite, and some purple and white and red roses. Yes.
See it? Rasta man I love her, so I can't stay there. Hey, Flash, I cut that one on our bedroom. I'm going to watch it back on the big screen. Sabatooth done the place.